I'm in Kingsley, Cheshire, and we're having a nice quiet 30-mile gentle bridleway loop to ease Dan back into mountain biking. What do you think, horsey? That's the horses have made! Oh my god! Nice little warm up. They complain about bikes, horses are worse. I told Dan it was really easy ride. Look at the state of it. I didn't expect it to be like this. Gonna have to do a bit of a detour. They've dug the road up. It's his first ride since knocking himself out, breaking his collarbone and 3 ribs. That's rather a nice pad. We should be able to get back on the bridleway here somewhere. Let's have a look. What's the sign? So nice and easy, does it? Oh, that's lovely. Just to go into his house. Hey! This is groovy. Oh! He's obviously worried that he's lost his confidence. But he's been in much worse than that. It's good, Dan, it's here. I don't think it's going to be a problem. Be nice when it's finished. Question is, where is the bridleway? I think it's up here. Looks like it. I'd call this more scenic than adventurous. Suburban bridleways. I'll have to say, these are superb trails. Lovely little villages. Don't know where the hell I am. They always let the signs grow over so you can't see them. We've actually ridden down this person's driveway to get here. Is this it? Well, no, it's not this, is it? Surely not. Let's have a look. Nope, completely flooded. I guess it's here. Lovely. Isn't this beautiful? Toads! Oh yes, here we go. Oh wow, I like this. Nice bit of downhill. I think Dan might try and clean up his brakes. The Delamere Loop. Oh. His Shimano motor's nowhere near as pokey as mine, which kind of evens out our fitness level. How many signs do they need? We will return here later. Oh! Dan just said alright mate to a woman with a dog. She's probably going to go home and grow her hair out. Isn't this beautiful? Disaster incoming. Oh. Did you hear that? I chain snapped. The weird noise it made as it came off. Here's me talking about how the chain was worn. Yeah, it's a bit loose that. That's a 10 speed on a 12 speed chain. I've fixed it, but the shorter chain is making it skip over the jockey wheels. Yeah, we've got to do a bit of road. I could have gone on a footpath across a field, but I'm not going to, because this is okay. Ugh, suburbia. Pleasant little village. Gotta go right through it. Another little bit on the road, but you know, it's okay. God, wonder what that was. The train? This should be the River Weaver.
Or swing bridges. Yep, we're riding down the Weaver. They've made this into a bicycle track, so it's cool. Okay, we're going through the middle of two rivers. I don't know what the other is. I think it might just be a lake. That's a pleasant place to live. Hopefully we're going across this bridge.
Thin horses only, eh?
Jeez. "29th of March, horse ride, using this route." Oh, he's coming over now, I feel bad. Hello, me.
Oh, he was so old, it took him 5 minutes to walk towards the fence. Felt obliged to give him a biscuit.
It's got a bit of a strange feeling about it. Guessing we go straight on. Oh. I tell you, we're getting old. Just simple things like that take it out of you. Some thatched roof repairs going on. Take a left. Left. And how much that would cost to buy and maintain. There's a train station down there. Nice little cafe. Is this cute enough for you? Hello there. Hello there.
Cheese and onion toasty.
Dan's got onto his auxiliary battery, so I'm going to go straight back to the van. Well, this was his first ride after falling off and getting a concussion, breaking a few ribs and his collarbone. We've got alternating squeaky brakes. Mine squeaks, stops, and then Dan starts up.
Now mine started creaking.
Now we're near Delamere Forest. I don't know if that's it. Or is that it over there?
And it's getting worse.
Oh, what a lovely little house. There's some really big bangs from Dan's bike as I left him. This isn't looking good, he hasn't moved. Where's he gone? I think he's turned left here. Yes, he's gone this way, he's gone the wrong way. Okay, this is the way. The actual train tracks are there for the train, nothing to stop you stepping on them. Oh!
The trail goes around a huge sand quarry. It's the Tarmac Crown quarry, and they're turning it into a nature reserve. We're heading towards Delamere Forest now. There's lots of bike trails through it. If you're into exploring, it's perfect. You can just end up in the middle of nowhere.
This is glorious, this path. Hey! We're going to go through the forest rather than the road, but we're not really sure of the way. Alright, it's a station.
Nothing but squealing and creaking.
What's this then? Oh, look at that. Yes, we're in Delamere Forest. I think, right, Dan? That's That's a real swamp down there. It's like something out of the Cretaceous. Yeah. You could literally imagine a dinosaur though out there, could you? Chain snapped again. Oh dear. Well, I've fixed the chain, but Dan's gone to get the van. I'm stuck outside the carriers in Delamere.
Time for a new drivetrain, I think. As usual, I'll post the GPX on my plotter route page. Thanks for watching. See you next week.